Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what's the most valuable, I guess, purchased item that you can buy. So the Robux items, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is kind of like a set, but I think the most valued one is this one because you can create princess dresses with that because it is a floor length dress. And it goes outward. I know there's a lot of dresses that do this, but I really like this one. You can also adjust if you want it to be see-through or not, and you can kind of layer it with other skirts as well, like this one, and then this one too. Super cute. I don't think the bags are worth that much, but now it's on sale. Well, it's cheaper now, so I think a lot of it is worth it. I just rarely use bags for a lot of these outfits. There's also this one, which is very good for layering, and I think is worth it. The moon gazer, I don't remember what it's called, moon gazer or something. There's a bunch of toggles on it. You can toggle just top only or skirt only, and you can toggle off that area, so it looks something like that. But it is again very good for layering. There's a jumpsuit. There's this Valentine's Day set, which it's very hard to use for layering, so I think the most worth it is this and that if you are willing to purchase something. But that is pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.